Hi, this is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Thanks for checking out our super adorable Panda Face project. It provides a simple introduction to cake carving and includes a template for the shape of your adorable panda face. Carving cakes is a great way to maximize the pans you already have on hand and create fun new designs. We use the scrap cake in this project to make adorable cake pop ears, which make for a fun pull-apart surprise and an extra treat. Follow along in the step-by-step videos to learn how to make this adorable design. We cover it all, from filling and crumb coating to carving and color mixing, plus putting on all the finishing details. You can purchase this as a standalone project, or if you sign up for yearly membership, it's included, plus so much more. If you like this video and you'd like to check out more about cake decorating, equipment, and materials we use, check us out on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. Hey everyone, we wanted to tell you a little bit about what paid membership to our school includes. So you'll get 12 themed project classes, one that drops each month. You could buy them separately, but you'll save a bunch by going with the yearly membership. We also do a bunch of Instagram live classes that we record and post to the platform for our paid students so that they can watch at their convenience or rewatch anytime. We like to do a lot of little companion projects for our themed classes and also some seasonal content along with some simple techniques for our lives just to help bolster your basic decorating skills. We also have what we call our foundation vault videos that include basic recipes you'll need to decorate with and also some techniques and just great foundations of cake decorating. We also have some plans to include some bonus material that will be accessible for our yearly students only. So we hope you'll check it out, we hope you'll join us, and we hope you'll have lots of fun decorating.